Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi has made it very clear that he is not in the race for the Prime Minister's post and that LK Advani is the NDA's Prime Ministerial candidate.
That's right. In an exclusive interview to CNN IBN's Pallavi Ghosh, Modi said that his priority was Gujarat. He also indicated that the NDA will look for an alliance with Jayalalitha and Mayawati if it comes to power.
Mr. Modi, don't you have your own personal ambitions? क्या आपका मन नहीं करता अब गुजरात के बाद दिल्ली चले?
बहुत लोग होते हैं जिनके जीवन में ड्राइविंग फोर्स एम्बिशन होता है। मेरे जीवन में मिशन ही सब कुछ है, एम्बिशन कुछ नहीं। और मैं बचपन से उन बातों को सीखा हूं, समझा हूं और कोशिश करता हूं जीने का प्रयास करूं। वो है लेना, पाना, बनना। ये मेरे जिंदगी के किसी भी रास्ते पर है नहीं। कुछ करना ये जरूर मेरे उसूल है और जब जहां जो दायित्व मिले उसको अच्छे ढंग से करना। अगर मैं किसी म्यूनिसिपैलिटी का चेयरमैन होता तो भी इतनी ही लगन से काम करता जितना मैं आज मुख्यमंत्री के नाम के मुझे काम मिला है करता हूं।
पोस्ट पोल अलायंस आप सोच रहे हैं जयललिता, मायावती, ये नॉट अनटचेबल। आई मीन आप
इस चुनाव में भारतीय जनता पार्टी एनडीए पूर्ण बहुमत प्राप्त होने वाला है। एब्सोल्यूट मेजोरिटी के साथ आडवाणी जी के नेतृत्व में भाजपा एनडीए की सरकार बनने वाली है। एक तो वहां पर कोई सवाल उठता नहीं है, लेकिन एज पर बीजेपी फिलोसॉफी इज कंसर्न, हम इस मत के हैं एक पार्लियामेंट मेंबर की पार्टी भी क्यों न हो। आज की देश की स्थिति में अकेली भाजपा को 2/3 मेजोरिटी मिल जाए तो भी एक मेंबर वाली पार्टी को भी साथ लेकर चलना चाहिए। रीजनल एस्पिरेंट्स को ऑनर करना चाहिए। देश को आज की स्थिति में चलाने के लिए कौन कहां चुनाव लड़ा उसके आधार पर निर्णय नहीं करना चाहिए। बीजेपी को अकेले को 2/3 मेजोरिटी मिलने के बावजूद भी सबको साथ रख करके ही देश चलाना चाहिए।
I noticed when the Prime Minister came to Gujarat, he only talked about development. Do you think the Congress has finally realized that this is the only issue which will work, at least in Gujarat? Earlier they were baatein karte the 2002 and all that. Even they are beginning to realize it doesn't make sense at all?
Not only in Gujarat, everywhere in India, people are fed up with this vote bank politics. They want a change. They want a politics of development. And this is the mood of the people. And this is only a driving force to change this government this time.
Telling comments, it's not often we hear Narendra Modi speaking in English. Let's go across now to our chief political correspondent Pallavi Ghosh, who got us that interview, who joins us from New Delhi now. Pallavi, was he under pressure for making that statement? He has that image across India as a right-wing hawk. Was Narendra Modi under pressure to make that statement that he won't be the prime ministerial candidate?
I think Venkatesh is also playing it extremely safe. Narendra Modi is a very astute, smart, savvy politician. He knows his game absolutely right. Let's not forget that he was in centre before that, in the sense that he was in the party organization. For instance, he was, for 5 years, he was in charge of Himachal Pradesh, among other posts. But in the eyes of Narendra Modi can be linked to him as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. That's where he gets his mandate from. So for now, he's playing it safe. What he, of course, is trying to point out is that for now, his ambitions are limited to Gujarat, but after the NDA comes to power, he seems to be very confident of that. One really cannot blame him if he wants to shift over to the centre, so he doesn't want to pitch or jeopardize his political future. He doesn't want to take any kind of risk. So for now, of course, he's ruling it out. He also went on to tell us, Venkatesh, when I pointed out to him that if you look at hoardings across Ahmedabad, there were these big posters, big pictures of Narendra Modi, smaller ones of Advani. He was very quick to point out this is a correction which will need to be made, and he thanked us for that. But yes, Narendra Modi's politics is very clear that till it's not sure that the NDA comes to power the centre, he's happy going to be seen as a Gujarat Chief Minister. But of course, his focus, his influence is going to be pan-India.
Alright, also Pallavi, Narendra Modi also sort of stressing on the importance of regional players. So is he in a way sort of hinting that the NDA may not be able to get those numbers, and did he tell you anything more about post-poll alliances?
Well, if you look at both the main national parties, whether it's the Congress and the BJP, both do admit in private that they cannot form a government at the centre without taking new allies along. So just as the Congress, even the BJP is actually cobbling for more and more allied partners, especially in the post-poll scenario. We've heard Mr. Advani tell CNN IBN earlier that Jayalalitha was more than welcome. The similar indication was given by Narendra Modi to us once again today when he said that every regional aspiration, every regional party, even if they have a single MP, will find a place in the NDA government. So certainly a hand being held out towards important regional players like Mayawati and Jayalalitha.
All right, Pallavi Ghosh, we'll leave it at that, but thanks very much indeed for giving us giving us a sense of what Narendra Modi was trying to say in that interview. We'll of course play out that interview a little later and all through the day on CNN. I've been very significant statements coming in from Narendra Modi. Also spoke about the fact that Gujarat has been seen in the past as a place where development takes place, but of course what happens is that the 2002 Godhra riots ghost continues to loom large. It casts a long shadow over Gujarat, and Narendra Modi also saying in that interview that 2002 the riots of Gujarat are not any longer an election issue, not just in Gujarat, not just across the country, but also in Gujarat. He also said that development is going to be the big issue. So that was the interview which Narendra Modi gave to Pallavi Ghosh. Let's listen in once again to what else he said.
Narendra Modi, don't you have your own personal ambitions? क्या आपका मन नहीं करता अब गुजरात के बाद दिल्ली चले?
बहुत लोग होते हैं जिनके जीवन में ड्राइविंग फोर्स एम्बिशन होता है। मेरे जीवन में मिशन ही सब कुछ है, एम्बिशन कुछ नहीं है। और मैं बचपन से उन बातों को सीखा हूं, समझा हूं और कोशिश करता हूं जीने का प्रयास करूं। वो है लेना, पाना, बनना। ये मेरे जिंदगी के किसी भी रास्ते पर है नहीं। कुछ करना ये जरूर मेरे उसूल है, और जब जहां जो दायित्व मिले उसको अच्छे ढंग से करना। अगर मैं किसी म्यूनिसिपैलिटी का चेयरमैन होता तो भी इतनी ही लगन से काम करता जितना मैं आज मुख्यमंत्री के नाम के मुझे काम मिला है करता हूं।
पोस्ट पोल अलायंस आप सोच रहे हैं, जयललिता, मायावती, ये नॉट अनटचेबल। आई मीन आप
इस चुनाव में भारतीय जनता पार्टी एनडीए पूर्ण बहुमत प्राप्त होने वाला है। एब्सोल्यूट मेजोरिटी के साथ अडवाणी जी के नेतृत्व में भाजपा एनडीए की सरकार बनने वाली है। तो एक तो वहां पर कोई सवाल उठता नहीं है, लेकिन एज फार एज बीजेपी फिलोसॉफी इज कंसर्न, हम इस मत के हैं एक पार्लियामेंट मेंबर की पार्टी भी क्यों न हो। आज की देश की स्थिति में अकेली भाजपा को 2/3 मेजोरिटी मिल जाए तो भी एक मेंबर वाली पार्टी को भी साथ लेकर चलना चाहिए। रीजनल एस्पिरेंस को ऑनर करना चाहिए। देश को आज की स्थिति में चलाने के लिए कौन कहां चुनाव लड़ा उसके आधार पर निर्णय नहीं करना चाहिए। बीजेपी को अकेले को 2/3 मेजोरिटी